Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to share WordPress post on Instagram automatically. So let's suppose I'm running an online clothing store and I'm promoting about my new arrivals and styling tips on my WordPress. Now I want that whenever I post on WordPress, it should be automatically shared in my Instagram account with my other audience. I completely want to automate this process, and to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between WordPress and Instagram. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here, as my trigger application, I am going to take WordPress where the post will be created and this complete workflow here will get triggered. And then in my action application, I am going to take Instagram where this will be posted automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to share WordPress post on Instagram automatically. For this, we are going to create automation between WordPress and Instagram with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to share WordPress post on Instagram automatically. Now I need to provide my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to share WordPress post on Instagram automatically, which means whenever I will create a post and post that on WordPress, it will be automatically posted on Instagram, which means whenever I will create and share new post on WordPress, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a new post is created or being posted on my WordPress account, an action says do this. So post that on Instagram. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take WordPress, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take new post published. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and WordPress, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my WordPress with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, let me take you to my WordPress account. So this is the app dashboard of WordPress, and on the left hand side I can see all the options. Here I have to click on this plugins, and then I have to click on this installed plugins. And then in this searched installed plugins, I am going to search for WP Webhooks. And as you can see, I have already installed this and it is activated. Over here, if you want to add this and you have not installed this, you can simply click on this add new plugin, and from there you can simply install this WP Webhooks. Now after installing, you have to scroll down and click on the settings, where you will be able to find this WP Webhooks. And when you open this, you can find all these options where you have to click on the send data option. And if I scroll down, I have to select my trigger. This workflow will get triggered. So over here, I am going to search for post created, and then I'm going to click on this add webhook URL. Now I have to give the name to this webhook URL, so I'm going to give this as new 333, and then I have to enter the webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So from here I will copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I'm going to click on this add for post create. Now this URL has been added successfully, new 333. Now I have to click on these three dots and then I have to click on this settings. So over here it's asking me to select the event trigger on selected post types and then trigger on initial post status. So this should trigger on whenever I post and trigger on initial post status change. So I want this to be published. So whenever my post will be published, this workflow will get triggered. So I have to scroll down and then I have to click on this save settings. Now I need to go back to my Pabbly Connect, and over here I can see waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to create a post on my WordPress, and for that I am going to click on this posts and then I am going to click on this add new post. So I'm going to create and post on WordPress, and if I receive the response in my Pabbly Connect over here, this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and WordPress, it is successful. So I'll go back to my post, and let's say the title of my post is, so here I have added my title as effortless style, everyday comfort, new arrivals, and then I have added my description, and I have to scroll down and then I have to search for featured image, and then I'm going to click on the set featured image, and I want to post this image, so I will select this and then click on this set featured image. So now after adding the title, the description and the featured image, I am going to scroll above and click on this publish. So I have successfully published this post on WordPress, and now this should be received in my Pabbly Connect. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and I can see I have instantly received the response over here. I have received the post thumbnail, I have received the post permalink. Then this was my title, effortless style, everyday comfort, and then this was my description. So as soon as I have added my post, I have successfully received my response in Pabbly Connect, which means whenever someone will post on WordPress, I will start receiving the response in my Pabbly Connect. So the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL was successful, and now I have to move to my next step. That is that I want to share this same post on my Instagram account also. So here in my action application, I took Instagram for business, where I am going to select my action event as publish photo. Now I am going to click on this connect, and if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Instagram for business. Here my Facebook and Instagram for business account are connected, so I want to continue with that same account. For that I am going to click on this continue as Jessie, and as I have already logged in my Facebook and Instagram, Pabbly Connect has easily detected my account over here. So it is always advisable to keep your accounts logged in for easy authorization. Over here I need to choose my Instagram account that I want to post on. So in this drop down I can see other Instagram account. I want to publish my post on this account, Jessie Matthew. So I have already logged in this account, and now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and over here I need to enter the photo URL. So I need to enter the photo URL, and to enter that I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here as you can see, I have received the response from WordPress, and when I click on this photo URL I can see this, and when I click on this I can see all the response that I have received from there. So to enter this photo URL, I'm going to search for post thumbnail. So this is the photo URL, and then I have to add the caption. So in this caption I want to add the title of this post. So I will search for the title, which was Effortless style, everyday comfort. So this is the caption now. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any caption, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now whenever I will publish a new post on my WordPress, as I have made these fields dynamic, it will be automatically posted on my Instagram account. So now after adding my Instagram account, photo URL and the caption, I have to click on the save and send test request. And over here I can see I have received the response successfully. Now I need to open my Instagram account and check whether I have received the response there or not. So let's open my WordPress first. This is the post link, so I will open this. And this is my post, effortless style, everyday comfort, and this was the description. I have added caption and this picture on my Instagram post. So let's now open my Instagram and then let's refresh this page once. And here I can see I have successfully added this as my post. This is the same caption that we have added in my Pabbly Connect, and this is the same picture. Now, so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open my WordPress and create another post. So now to create a new post, I have to click on this add new post, and then I'm going to add a title and the description. So let's say, so here I have added my title as timeless pieces, endless possibilities, fresh styles, and then I've added my description, and then I have added the picture as this one. And now after adding all these, I'm simply going to click on this publish. So this post has been successfully published. Now let's open this link given over here, and here this is my post. Now this should be posted automatically in my Instagram also. Let's open my Instagram and then let's refresh this page once. And here we have successfully added this post also. The caption was timeless pieces, endless possibilities, and this was the picture. So now to summarize, we took WordPress as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We created a post and published that post on WordPress, after which we received the response in Pabbly Connect. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted to share the same post automatically in Instagram. So I took my action application as Instagram for Business, where I took my action event as publish photo. I selected my account in which I want to share this post. Then I entered the photo URL from the response that I have received in WordPress. Then I have added the caption, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this picture being posted on my Instagram. So we have successfully created automation between WordPress and Instagram for Business with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.